Hi guys, my name is Moonflow, and today I'll be teaching you how to do hand wraps. For this trick, I'd recommend going back and learning how to do drop spins. And J spins. To start this trick, start with a drop spin. And instead of letting the Flowstar roll over the back of your wrist, you want to grab the Flowstar and let it wrap around as straight as possible and bunch up. And as it bunches up, you want to rotate your wrist inward just a little bit so that you can pull that momentum back out into a J spin. So again, start with the drop spin, grab the Flowstar, let it bunch up and out into a J spin. And on the left hand side, drop spin, let it bunch up, rotate back out into a J spin. A little tip for learning this trick: once you've done your drop spin and you go to grab your Flowstar, grabbing it with just a little bit of a fold in the fabric allows to bunch up and come back out just a little bit easier. A couple of different variations of this trick in combination flow. It's a very useful method to be able to change direction of which way the Flowstar is going. It's coming inward, hand wrap, and now it's going back the other way. I hope this has helped you guys. If this has, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll be back in the future for more Flowstar tutorials.